sir. Hey man, say man, everybody install this SRT badge, huh?
Where you need this at, bro? You need it
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, right. Probably somewhere right there. I don't know. What do you think?
Man?
Somewhere right here though.
In the corner?
Nah, not all the way to the corner.
You
like,
tell me, wherever you want to go, I can make it happen.
Probably like, let's see. Like somewhere right here.
Like that?
Yeah.
Sure? Keep it right there.
I'm going down there, Auntie.
I want to drive.
You want to drive?
What you said? We're the one side? Oh, shit, sorry.
Nah, you good.
No.
You good.
You good. Where is that one? You want to drive? Where you gone? I'm saying you want to drive and you disappear.
You can see it?
Huh?
You can see it now?
Yeah, there's a whole lot of trying to see. I mean, check that one, boy, wine. When you talk about BT. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, mommy? Chucky catching me this time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking fresh and clean this
Clean.
True to self.
Connected that. What was it, negative?
Chucky the light?
Nah, this is a video. No. It's in live.
Chucky, you're buying new tools, boy.
Yeah, that's just it's small, right? Too small?
No, it's not small, it's powerful.
And powerful, yeah. It's just a...
This is where you can see the sparks now. This is a spark. That's negative and positive. So the red, this is a fuse in here.
Yeah.
So in case it blow, this is the fuse for. If your light stop up,
Yeah.
you have another fuse to put in.
Yeah.
So look.
You know, I want to connect the license plate to the battery at the back. Because they keep blowing the fuse. The license plate cover, and I could connect that to the battery.
On the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they keep blowing the fuse.
And you changed the fuse already?
Changed it like 4 times.
Oh wow. For real?
Yeah, this one right there. Which one is it? I think it's this one. Keep blowing this one right there. This is this is the cigarette light, the fuse right there.
Alright, cool, but we're gonna change it.
Yeah, I gotta connect it to the battery for that.
We're gonna change it, bro. At least you have accomplished something for the day on the car, so don't feel, you know.
Yeah.
Check one is the thing.
No, it's when you get a car like
Yes,
this.
yes, you got to put up the one from it. Don't replace it.
Which one?
Change the one.
Oh yeah. Nah, I keep him.
Yeah, yes.
I was thinking about selling the headlight, but nah.
Hey,
Cause
bro,
I try to resell it.
you don't got no bigger socket?
No sir, can make it.
Yeah.
Let me see something.
But I don't think there's no point of selling it.
Have this socket.
So you buy
'Cause
this new one up again?
Yeah, I got a whole light out of back. So I gotta take out this whole one right there. It's the same light, it just come with different colors. You could change the colors and everything.
Really?
Bro. Mommy, you got the keys to the car? You take it back.
Zip tie all these.
Make sure the tools you get all these is important.
Yeah, I gotta put it back. I gotta get a two. I got 2 blocks.
So look, you got more connections here if you want to connect up other things. Okay. I'm gonna put this in here for you.
Yeah.
So this is like the connect.
I'm gonna throw a couple thousand, baby. Yeah. Hey.
That joint look crazy.
Stop.
Well,
I screwed this far. You see it?
said screw file.
Everything see. Look at me, boy.
Yeah, I'm at the back.
Yeah, man.
Were you at the front? I see. Oh, come up, come the side, come straight. Oh, partner, come for the time to the school today, though.
Yeah.
Spanish lady.
Should have been a red bike.
No, she didn't make it.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's that man, though.
Yeah,
Say it's the coach.
Damn, this joint look crazy. You think it's in the perfect position?
Yes, bro.
You think it's in the perfect? Yeah, that joint look crazy.
And you get the remote for walk with it too.
Oh, that was an easy install, yo.
Told you, bro.
So y'all see, man. If y'all need somebody to install your badge, bro, hit me up, bro.
Come to. Yeah.
I'm known, bro.
Angel the mechanic.
Yes, sir. He installed that shit easy. So, see, we connect the wire from the bottom all the way. Tomorrow, the headlights, man. Yes, sir. Let me change the color. That shit look crazy, bro. Change the whole. But yeah, man, this track is slowly coming together, man. Slowly coming together. We got a RBG headlights, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow we about to install the RBG headlights, man. So, and we got an underglow. We gonna install the underglow lights tomorrow as well. So stay tuned, man. If y'all like these type of video, man, like, comment, subscribe, baby. We out. Yes, sir.